And then the last point here is around launching pilot projects. And as you do that, or even before you do that, inviting people to play and experiment with AI is a really good starting point, so that they're not, they don't feel the pressure of needing necessarily to produce results. And I think Jerry's going to speak about that a little bit more. The other thing is to start with what you have. So many people said they have a Microsoft shop, so they're using Copilot and they're training people on how to use it, not making the assumptions that they'll automatically know how to use it, or that everybody will use it the same way, or they're using Gemini or something else that's already available in the programs that they have. Look for productivity gains and focus there. So I mentioned a couple already, but some other examples are things like automate routine emails or routine communication, enhance search capabilities. So a couple of people noted that if you're going to Google and you're Googling for certain information, you'll have to go through a lot of tabs to find a more complete picture. Whereas if you use one of the chat bots, it will source that information and pull it all together for you. And if you're doing that, you'll also want to ask it to reference the information and then go back and check the references. Data processing at scale, so employee surveys or public engagement surveys. And then finally, the last example here is regulatory or jurisdictional research. A number of organizations mentioned that they've got like oodles and oodles of regulations to go through, and the AI can pinpoint what page to find it on and do a specific reference that normally will take a human being days to be able to pinpoint that information. So that's just a few of, that's basically the foundational readiness portion of this 3-point framework.